Welcome everybody to the show. My name is Andre McClendon, and today I'm going to be going over IBM and their quantum computing. Now this is episode 2 for tech investing, so I will be going over their stock. I will be going over some of the dividends, some of the details for new subscribers and new people watching. I do this once a week, going over one tech company and something pretty cool is happening, and I should be posting this every Wednesday or Thursday, so let's get it on. So what is quantum computing? Quantum computing, a computer which makes use of a quantum states of subatomic particles to store information. So just going into this, I'm not an expert so much in quantum computing, but what I do like is that IBM is the first company to come out with an integrated quantum computer for commercial use. So let's jump into it. So we're on their website, so you guys can go here. I will put the link below, so check that out. And what is quantum computing? They do have a video about it and what you can learn about more. So here's some of the applications and why quantum computing can be something that can help a lot of people out. So IBM Q, quantum Q is accelerating the application of quantum computing to the most challenging problems, chemistry, optimization, and machine learning by advancing fundamental research in quantum computing, such as quantum error mitigation. So they do have reasonings why quantum computing is important and how it can shape our lives. And all right, so I found a YouTube video about them, what quantitative computing is. I will be putting it in the description below, so please check it out. It describes it a whole lot better, and there's so much more details that can be going over this. Okay? All right. So once you guys look at the videos and look at the pictures, check it out. And they should be scrolling through right now. Here's the article that came out for during their expo about quantum computing and what it can do. Some of the pictures, some of the highlights, and more description. So I will put this in the description below, so check it out. So let's get into the nitty-gritty details of things that I do know about quantum the stock. So we're on investing.com, guys. Well, I use this website all the time. So let's break down some of the fundamentals, some of the very easy details. So the PE ratio is 11.9. Something I like. Anything under 20 is good for me, especially for a tech company. Now, the earnings per share is really good. It's not at the 10% ratio that I like. What I do like is that they have a dividend yield, and it's not too bad, 4.63%. This company is a quarterly based company, so let's jump into those details now. All right, guys, here's their chart. It goes back past 1981. You guys can look it up, look at the image above. So here's that. Here's right here when they were talking about their release day of the quantum computer. So it's pretty impressive once they release that information. Their share price has exploded through the roof, consolidated right down here, very little, and it's looked like it's taking a little leg up. But what I like about this tech company is that they're getting progressively better and better and better. And a few more of their details. So right now we're also on Market Watch. They have a really good PE ratio. Dividend yield, we don't remember. The yearly dividend is $1.62, which is not too bad. But we'll break down their charts. And look, they're a quarterly company. They have been paying consistently. I mean, I even checked. I haven't brought out their 10-year. So for the last 10 years, their dividend quarterly has been increasing and increasing. So I'm not projecting that it can keep on increasing or not. I'm just saying that this company seems to be a rock solid company for staying around at least. It's been past 1981. We can go out we can look that up when they're actually was started. But I like future technology or current technology being developed, changing lives, because it helps you give you a different perspective in investing. So you can see the company what is actually doing. and then the new technology, how much they're spending on research and development, where they're producing, and then boom. And now that their market price increased. And just to recap, guys, this has a lot of their details. They go over a lot of their quantum computing. So if I didn't go over it good enough, you guys can go to their website, learn more about what quantum computing is. Watch their video, they're listed below. Watch their video on here on YouTube. And that's about it, guys. This is the episode 2. Tell me what you guys think below about what how I'm presenting it. Just give me your thoughts about IBM and their quantum computer. And thank you guys so much for sticking around to the end of the video. And you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see ya.